Want to keep your clients engaged and never miss a follow-up? In this video, I'll show you how to automate SMS follow-ups to keep clients engaged in GoHighLevel. Let's get started. Go to the Automation tab and click New Workflow. Start from scratch. The workflow needs a trigger to initiate the process, such as a contact tag. Next, click on Add Filter. Here, you can choose an action, such as Tag Added, and then select the tag, like Accounting. For instance, if a contact is tagged as Accounting, this will trigger the automation, ensuring timely communication with your clients. Add an action to Send SMS. Customize your message to sound personal and relevant. Remember, timing is key, so set delays based on when you want the follow-up to be sent, whether it's immediate, hours, or days later. For consistent engagement, add multiple SMS steps. You can even mix in email or call reminders to ensure your clients are never forgotten. Once your workflow is complete, turn it on, and GoHighLevel will take care of the rest, keeping your clients engaged and your follow-ups on time. Automating SMS follow-ups helps you build better relationships with your clients and saves you time. Want to streamline your workflow and boost lead management? Try GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial. And don't forget to schedule your kickoff call for a smooth start. Links are in the video description below. And that's it! You've created Automate SMS follow-ups to keep clients engaged. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and drop questions below. Thanks for watching.